If you are anything like me, you probably have a good amount of old hard drives lying around collecting dust. You may also ask yourself how to securely erase the data before getting rid of them. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can securely erase hard drives on Windows, macOS, Linux, and with a bootable USB environment. The timestamps for each method are in the description below. Disclaimer: the methods shown in this video are capable of erasing data to the point where recovering them would need specialized equipment. That being said, highly specialized equipment may still be able to partially recover your files. If you need to be extra sure that the data is permanently gone, physically destroying the drives is the only possibility. To securely erase a drive in Linux, all you need is a command line tool called shred. Shred uses the Gutmann method to securely erase all data on a storage medium by overwriting the existing data with random sequences of data. Connect your storage medium to your Linux computer and make sure it is unmounted. You can check the status of your device with the command df. If you can see the partitions of your storage medium, you will need to unmount them. Partitions can be identified by the number at the end. While SDB is the storage medium itself, SDB1 is the first partition on it. To unmount, use the command umount followed by each partition that is mounted. Now use the following command to start the deletion process. Sudo shred-vf-n3 followed by your storage device. -v makes the output verbose so you can see what's happening. -f forces the overwriting process. -n defines the number of passes that you want to run on your storage medium. More passes are typically more secure but also take a lot of time. If you want, you can also append -z to add a pass with all zeros at the end. This is useful if you want to mask the usage of shred. Depending on the size of your storage medium, the speed of your connection, and the amount of passes you configured, this will take a lot of time. Please keep in mind that this process is very taxing on the storage hardware and will shorten its lifespan. While I do not recommend that you erase your drives in Windows, there are two ways that I can show you. Windows has a built-in tool called diskpart, which can overwrite your data with a zero pass. If you desire a more secure method of deletion, you can use a program called Eraser. You can find a download link for this tool in the description. To run a zero pass with diskpart, open the command prompt and enter diskpart. Next, type list disk to see all connected drives, followed by select disk and the corresponding number for your device. Now you can use the clean all command to erase your data with a zero pass. To run a more in-depth deletion with Eraser, open the program and create a new schedule. Select the task type and use the Add Data button to select your storage device and the erasure method. Confirm your choices and right-click on the new entry. Select Run Now to start the deletion process. In some cases, Eraser seems to have an issue accessing your drive. If that is the case for you, close the program and also close the running instance in the system tray. This is important. Now reopen Eraser with admin privileges. Your created task should now work. Depending on the size of your storage medium, the speed of your connection, and the amount of passes you configured, this will take a lot of time. Please keep in mind that this process is very taxing on the storage hardware and will shorten its lifespan. macOS has a built-in command line tool called disutil, which can securely erase your storage device. Simply open the macOS terminal with Spotlight and type disutil list to see all connected storage devices. Look for the drive you want to erase and copy the path of said disk. Next, type disutil unmount disk followed by the copied value and run the command. This will make sure that all partitions of your drive are unmounted. Now type disutil secure erase to see all available methods. Once you have chosen your desired method, type disutil secure erase followed by the number of your method and the copied value of your storage medium. This will begin the deletion process. Depending on the size of your storage medium, the speed of your connection, and the amount of passes you configured, this will take a lot of time. Please keep in mind that this process is very taxing on the storage hardware and will shorten its lifespan. If you prefer to wipe your drive with a bootable USB environment, Direct's boot and nuke, short dban, may be an option for you. Simply download the dban ISO image and flash it onto a USB stick of your choice. I usually use Rufus to flash my USB sticks, but which tool you choose is up to you. Once that is done, boot from the USB stick, wait for it to load and select the drive you want to wipe. The bar at the bottom of your screen shows all available configuration options. You can start the wiping process with F10. Depending on the size of your storage medium, the speed of your connection, and the amount of passes you configured, this will take a lot of time. Please keep in mind that this process is very taxing on the storage hardware and will shorten its lifespan. That is all for today. Until next time. Bye!